Hello and welcome to Henry channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enter BIOS and boot menu option for a Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. So I'm restarting Windows. So this is what you need to do as well. Now hold down the F4 key. Okay, you see this key? That's what you need to hold down, F4. So we've entered Surface Uefi, which is BIOS basically. I'm going to exit now and show you guys how to enter boot menu option. Now, I've got a bootable drive, which is here. It's on USB. Windows Creation Tools, Windows 11. And I'm going to show you how to boot from it. So you insert it here. Same method applies if your laptop is off, switched off. Right, I'm going to restart Windows 11. You don't need to follow my method if your laptop is already off as mentioned, because all you need to do is insert the USB flash drive and power on the laptop. So once it's restarting and it's on a blank screen, hold down the F3 key this time. Keep holding it down. So you're going to hold it down for longer because it's initializing the process of booting from USB flash drive. Now, there's going to be a circle soon on the screen. Then that's when you need to let go. So keep your eyes peeled on the screen. Now, can you see? So you no longer need to hold down the F3 key. So it's booted from USB flash drive. That's how to do it. Okay, guys. So please like and subscribe to Henry channel. And I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Also, please scroll down to the channel and look at other videos. I'm sure you will find them useful. Catch you soon. Have a good day or have a good night.